So going forward, we are seeing what are the components or tables that are available in GSTR-9. I recommend you write down so that you will not forget what it is or how it is broken down by the government. See, GSTR-9 has a total of 19 tables, 19 tables, which is divided into 6 parts. The first part includes the basic information like your name, address, GST number, financial year, ARN, filing date, all those things. 1, 2, 3. Table number 1, 2, 3 is your basic details, part 1. Then you have the important table, table number 4 and 5. Table number 4 is related to outward supplies on which you have paid tax, that is all regular tax transactions, along with export on which you are paying tax, SEZ which you are paying tax, and inward supplies liable to RCM. This comes under table 4 along with relevant credit notes. Similarly, table 5, all other turnover where we are not paying tax like exempted, export under LUT, SEZ sales under LUT, nil rated, non-GST, advance on which GST is not applicable. All those things will come under table 5. So part 2 is outward supply, table number 4 and 5. 4 is taxable related sale, 5 is non-taxable related sale. Then we have the third component, very important, very important, because it is related to ITC. Part 3 includes 3 tables, which is 6, 7 and 8. 6 is all your GSTR-3B input as per table 4, which should be broken down into input, input service, capital goods, import of service, import of capital goods, import of goods, all this breakup. Table 7 is reversal of ITC done in your 3B. Wherever you feel it is ineligible under 17.5 or rule number 39, 42, 44, 37, like 180 days not payment or common service or ISD service distributor, anything like that, all reversals comes under table number how much? 7. So table number 8 is auto population of GSTR-2A and reconciliation with GSTR-3B. It comes from table 6. Table 8 has first two tables, sub-tables, which is first table of GSTR-2A, second table which is auto populated from table number 6 above. So whatever is the difference is excess ITC available or it is lapsed. Then this is the third part. Then fourth part is tax paid. Wherever you have paid tax in your GSTR-3B regarding outward supply and inward using ITC, using cash, all the details are auto populated based on GSTR-3B. Table 5 is again important because it is transactions of the current year declared in the next financial year. This includes 4 tables, 10, 11, 12 and 13. 10 and 11 relates to outward, 12 and 13 relates to input. Under 10, we are filling details of increase in turnover. Under 11, we are filling details of decrease in turnover. Similarly, under 12, we are filling details of reversal of ITC. Under 13, we are filling details of availment of ITC. Table 14 is your last part of this last table of this part, which will be differential tax paid because of table 10 and 11. That is, you have declared tax in the next year and paid tax. What is the payable? What is the paid amount? That is what is declared in table 14. Then the last part of GSTR-9 is table part 6, which includes 5 tables, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 15, 16 is optional. 17 is mandatory, which is HSN goods, HSN of your outward supply. 18 is again optional for 22-23. 19 is auto calculated by the portal if you are filing it late. After the due date, if you are filing, table 19 is auto populated. So 15 includes demands and refunds during the year. If is there any demand created by the GST department or you have taken a refund, all those details. 16 is for purchase from composition, goods sent on approval basis, job worker, etc. 17 is HSN wise, quantity wise details of outward turnover. 18 is HSN wise, quantity wise, inward turnover, which is optional for current year, but looks like it is being made mandatory for the next financial year. So you can make data ready now only. And 19 is auto populated turnover. These are the tables of GSTR-9. So there are 6 parts broken down in 19 tables broken down into 6 parts, majorly based on outward, inward tax payment. So this should be clear. Any doubts here you can ask. Any doubts here you can just comment on the comment box. We can just respond it as and when required.
Table number 8, can you explain?
See, table number 8 is a point where we are reconciling our turnover, I mean input, with whatever available in GSTR 2A. Table 8A, first sub table of 8, gets information from GSTR 2A automatically, auto populated and not editable. Similarly, 8B, whatever details we have filled in 6 regarding input of 3B, input what we have claimed in 3B will be auto populated to 8B. So 8A minus 8B, if it is positive, it means you could have availed ITC in the next year. So you have to fill in 8C. If you have not availed up to 30th November, then that is up to today. If you have not availed, then you should put it under ITC lapsed column. So this is 8. So I have given information, basic details on what is tables. Now we are going to how do we fill the GST annual return.